In this video I'm going to show you how to download and install PGA Tour 2K25. If you buy games at Steam, it can get really expensive, especially the latest ones. Plus, downloading from random websites can lead to viruses and nobody wants that. But don't worry, in this video I will show you how to find these great games without overspending and keeping your PC safe. Before we start, I would like to ask you to subscribe to our channel and like the video. Now for the first step, we have to locate the game on Steam before we can proceed with the next one. So search for Steam, and once you are there, open it, click on it and go to the search bar and there type in PGA Tour. And then you will find PGA Tour 2K25. Click on it, scroll a little bit down, and as you can see, we have a paid game over here. This game costs €69.99. But if you click on the link in the description, I have added it to the video description, then you will be redirected to this website. So once you are arrived here, then search for PGA Tour 2K25, and now we are searching this game up. Select games on the left side. After that, go to price lowest first, and as you can see, this game is available for only €52.49, which saves you already around €18 on this game. So if you would like to get cheap games, then definitely buy it here. And once you have bought it, then you will receive an email confirmation with all the information to download this game on Steam, but much cheaper. Hopefully this video was very helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!